My first day of substitute teaching, I remember it so vividly because it was first graders. And I was young and I had a lot of energy, but to be honest with you, by the end of the day, I was tired and I literally went home and collapsed on my bed. But going into it, you're nervous, you're excited. I remember walking through a whole bunch of kids, hundreds of kids on the campus. I passed by what I believed was the principal and I said hi to him. He kind of looked at me kind of funny and then I told him who I was, and he said, "Okay, thank you for filling in." The job of a substitute teacher is rough because you go in there and you're not prepared. And the teacher, they leave you a packet of do this, do that, and you have to really decode because sometimes the packets aren't written clear enough and figure out, okay, from here to here, I'm teaching this, from here to here, I'm teaching that. And then have you taught that before? So it's a lot of on the spot learning and doing all at once with a bunch of 6-year-olds. So imagine that, trying to manage a classroom, keeping everyone quiet, organized, and then trying to figure out the game plan throughout the whole day. Taking kids to recess, taking kids to lunch, how do you handle restroom breaks? What if there's a fire drill? So it's a lot of just now, figure this out, keep kids under control. Exciting, but nerve wracking, and you're beat at the end of the day.